Nagkasundo ang GMA New Media Incorporated at Manila Jockey Club Incorporated o MJCI para sa isang joint venture na tinawag na GameSpan. Dito ay maaabot ng mas maraming tao ang mga laro ng MJCI. Dahil pwede na itong ma-access gamit ang internet at cellphone, magsisilbing New Media Technology Service Provider ang GMA NMI. Ang kasunduan, pinakunahan ni na GMA Chairman and CEO Attorney Felipe Algozon, GMA President and COO Gilberto Duavid Jr., MJCI Chairman and President Attorney Alfonso Reyno Jr. at MJCI EVP and COO Attorney Alfonso King Reyno III. Dumalo rin sa okasyon sina GMA Executive Vice President, CFO at Head of Corporate Services Group Felipe S. Yalong, GMA Chairman for Marketing XCOM Joel G. Jimenez at GMA NMI President Jod Callares.
This is a milestone for our two companies as we are formalizing a joint venture that both of us hope will change the landscape in the gaming industry in the Philippines.
We are very excited and hopeful and very positive that this union between two institutions will definitely bear very positive results in the field of gaming in this country.